How to log in L.L.Bean Credit Card account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into L.L.Bean Credit Card account online. For this, you want to open any web browser. Now search for L.L.Bean Credit Card Login. Tap on the very first option, which is L.L.Bean Credit Card Login or Apply. Once you tap on this option, it will directly take you to the login portal. Here, you will have to enter some credentials in order to be logged into your account. Go ahead and enter your user ID on the first box. Now, on the second box, you want to enter your password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check this box. Once you have entered all these details, tap on the Sign On option. If the details you've entered are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. In case you have forgotten your user ID, tap on the option of Retrieve User ID. If you have forgotten your password, tap on Reset Password. Then follow the on-screen instructions in order to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.